Hello, my name is Russ. I'm going to show you how to use Kubernetes network policies to allow and block traffic. So I'll get set up a minute. I'm just going to create a Croc Hunter deployment and a Rust test deployment. The Croc Hunter deployment is just kind of my service, my web server, and I'm going to expose it and then connect to it with curl from my Rust test pods. And notice the labels on these things. I've got two labels on each. One is the zone and one is the app name. Zone data versus application. So let's see here. kubectl get pods. Let me get this. I'm going to get into the pod a minute. And I will install curl on it. And then I'm going to use curl to connect to the this Croc Hunter service. It's just a cluster IP service. Let's see here, because I didn't do the curl. Oops, I did two of them. All right, so there's the web page from the what's it called, the Croc Hunter website. Now I'm gonna basically disable access from anything using this default deny policy. This basically tells, because I'm not selecting anything for under ingress, and I'm not selecting anything for my pod selector, it basically says, because I'm not selecting anything, it's selecting everything in that namespace. And same with the ingress, like I'm not selecting anything I'm ingressing from, so it's selecting everything. So let's see here. Oops. kubectl -f there it is. Alright, let's try that curl again now that I've blocked everything. Come on, there it goes. Alright, you can see it's blocked. Now let me open up my other window, and I'm gonna add another network policy that's gonna actually select my Croc Hunter app and say I want to allow ingress from this the data zone, which let's see, my Rust test pod has a label with zone equals data. So oops, so my where is it? So this is going to actually select this as a allowed ingress, or it's allowed to send traffic to my Croc Hunter app. So let's do that. Let's see, data to Croc net policy. So that's created. Now let's try my curl again. Oh, you know what? It was still curling when I enabled that. Anyway, I'll show you that if I delete that, it won't work, because I probably didn't get to see that. Delete. Alright, deleted the network policy. Now again, I cannot access the Croc Hunter app. And I'll create it again. It's interesting, is sometimes I gotta kill the curl and have it try again, sometimes I don't. Anyway, that seems to work fine, and that's about it. Let's see, I'll review again. This blocks everything, and then this allows specific things like anything from zone data. Basically, you're using labels to match what can talk to what, because by default everything's denied, and then you allow certain things. That's about it. Thanks for watching.